Hello, my name is Asrudin. You can call me Rudy. This video I will show how to solve troubleshooting in control system. Um, okay, if you want to make application, maybe Django, maybe application, you always running manual technique. Maybe I will show it how to manual running this application, Django application. Alright, the first you will go to cd home Rudy Django, and then you have to active bin active. Okay, environment. Okay, I think in just development, but for the production running, you will sometimes people will make or will use no hub running, or maybe screen running application. But I will this solution this other solution for the control system. Okay, and then cd website. Okay, ktc home Rudy Rudy Django run server. This is manual running application. Okay, I have to change Python 3. Python. Okay, we will see this application will 000 and port 5. Okay, we'll open 1 2 10 10 0 0 0. Okay, Django running now. But if you want you will to key you want to stop and run it again, it's no problem, because dashboard is already in use. If you want to use again this port, you have to kill the manual check like this, net start and okay, the port still running, and you have to kill -9 and PID stop. Okay, check again, let's start. Okay, nothing, running again. I think it's no useful, useful for you. And the solution, you can use supervisor D, and because if you close again and run again, already port use, you have to check again, kill again, kill PID, kill again. Check again. Okay, the solution supervisor a process control system. You can control and monitor your application. Alright, and this configuration like this, you can add a file vim etc supervisor conf supervisor Django djangorudy.conf. This is custom conf. Okay, and then you can add like this command. The command, the name program Django Rudy, and command base shell script, yeah, Django run server. This is a file custom from me, and directory from Rudy Django. This application make auto start, auto restart, and auto stop, and you can add patch for the file log, Django log. This is custom log for me. Okay, if you want to running, you just running application, but the most important, you have to install install supervisor D. And maybe I want to explain again, because I think it's install supervisor is very easy. Okay, and for the check system CTL status supervisor, we will check status supervisor. I think it's active. Alright, and if you want to check application Django application, you can check supervisor CTL status. The status Golang is fatal, and Django is stop, because I am stopping for Django application. And if you want to running, you just click supervisor start all. Okay, Django starter. Okay, you can check again supervisor status is running, and check net start and mean running, and you can check again running. Maybe you want to stop. Okay, stop Django Rudy. I think this loss, yeah. Okay, stop. Start. Nothing. This Python like this. Not import, and check is error, and you can running again. Just start Django. Check again. It's useful for you. This problem you have to kill manual again, kill port, because the port is already used. I think it's no it's problem for you, and you can use this supervisor to handle it. Let's start as running again. Okay, check again. Okay, I think it's useful for you, and you can custom supervisor. Maybe you want to running a web browser supervisor, you can add vim etc supervisor supervisor. You can just add configuration, or if you want to running in application. Okay, maybe I will change port 3, port 2. Okay, 2. Restart supervisor, system CTL restart supervisor. Okay, and supervisor CTL status. Okay, stop. Okay, stop all. Check again status. you want to access, you can access 9002. Okay, you can start again running Django application. Okay, you can check next status is Django Rudy still stopped, and but you have already start. You can check again supervisory status. I think is running, and you can open application. Wait. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much for the time. This is tutorial for useful for you troubleshooting how to monitoring your application. Maybe if you want to running a Golang, I think you can explore the next time. And then this supervisor D is useful for you for the dev application and then production application. All right, if you have any question, you can comment this video. Thank you so much for the time.